Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a helix path and let any object to move through the helix path, just like what I had shown here. You can see this is a helix path, and another object is just follow the helix path to perform the movement, the 3D animation. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. I'm going to just start from a fresh new Blender project file and just press A and delete everything. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a helix path. First, what you need to do is just add a mesh and go to the edit modes, right click and merge the vertices at the center. Now it is going to be a vertex, just need to move it to somewhere at here. You can see this is a vertex. Alright, next, just back to the object modes, you should be able to see a vertex is here. Then this is just a single point. What you need to do is just go to the modifier. You must make sure you select it first and add a modifier, search for screw. Then this one, the screw, just make some distance in this way. Maybe it's 0.2 or 0.1. If 0.3, 0.2, it is up to you. Then the iterations just need to increase more. Now you can see this is a helix path, the iteration. Alright, next, what you need to do is just click here to apply it now. This one will become a helix path. Right click it, convert to curve. Then to make any of the object to follow this path, what you need to do is just add a mesh. For example, I add a icosphere. Let's make it small at the center. Then I want it to follow this. Just make sure you select it and add a modifier, search for curve. Then select this one. This is the curve, helix curve. Name this properly. The icosphere, once you already add a modifier, the curve, you choose the helix curve. Then it is X. Next, at here you can see if you manipulate the location X, it is going to move. So this one, you can just put hash frame /5. Then you can see the animations. If you put 24, it will be slower. So now I'm trying to just move this. It can be anywhere. Look, it follows this curve. Right, you must make sure that the pivot point is at 0. Okay? If you move it away, it is going to disperse. It is going to go to a wrong place. So sometimes you may just want to move it away, and maybe you right click. Sorry, you go to the object and just Control A, location. Control A or transform If you put all transform, then it is going to start from the end. So for every time if you move it to anywhere, then you need to just click it, press Ctrl A or transform, so that it is going to always start from one end and follow the curve. To adjust the speed of movements, you have to make sure you click this, and the frame you just put a smaller value, for example 6. It is going faster. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a helix path and let any of the 3D object to follow the helix path to perform the 3D animation movement. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.